good news about Jesus as according to Luke chapter 5 from verse 1 to verse 11. Jesus calling first follower them. One day, Jesus did turn up a Lake Gennesaret and people did a crowd round him to listen where Gad Wod say. When he look, he see two boats on the lakeside. The fisherman them did left them there and did a wash their net. So Jesus go in a Simon boat and ask him to carry the boat go a little more in the water. Then Jesus sit down and teach the people them. After Jesus done talk, he said to Simon, go out in a deep water and throw out the net to catch fish. Simon answer, teacher, we work hard whole night and we not catch nothing. But since you say so, me will do what you say. When the fisherman them, we did a walk with Simon, do what Jesus say, then catch so much fish, then net start bust up. So the fisherman them call them brethren them in the other boat to come help them. And the two boat them full so till then start sink. When time Simon Peter see all of this, him drop down at Jesus' foot and say, keep away from me, Lord, cause me one man we do nothing wrong. Simon and all of the man them we did there with him, shock when they see the heap of fish we then catch. Two of Simon brethren them we did frightened too, are James and John, Zebedee boy them. Then Jesus said to Simon, no afraid. From now on, you're not going to catch fish. You're going to catch people. So, them pull them boat on the lakeside, left everything, and follow Jesus. And God won this. Thank God.